O ia langi o le o ia se leo. O leo o mga pailang o ele o ia lau whenga ruenga. O te mua I whamalulu atu tato inga lotu le nei tula. O lau ingoa o Pino Tupua. Le maa masaninga ma le uso ia Ace. The early 80s. Hanabala days. Mama le maefe and beloved Father Tai used to play softball with my parents. And me and Ace was running around on the side. Whenever the ball goes the wrong way, me and Ace will be running, racing to the ball to see who gets there first. He was always a competitive person. And then all of a sudden, Ace left Samoa. Me and Ace reconnected 2006. We picked up where we left off. Everything was competitive. You know, it came down to our Fautasi, high school, NFL team, everything. We was always compete against each other. Every time Ace wins, he always have a celebration dance. You all know that. But in his heart, when he's done celebrating, enjoying his win, he always have that smile to make you laugh. Me and Ace always settle things to be even, equal. There was no way we was gonna go home saying that I beat you. No. We always settle things even. That's how big-hearted Ace was. Bear with me. I wish I could be half the man he is, touch many souls, many hearts. Today I stand before you and honor my brother that he has won the ultimate race. He beat me to the gates of heaven. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
We all know many sayings that Ace would say. I probably have all of them in my back pocket, but today, Ace always says I'm blessed. Everywhere we go, people ask him, Sully, you look good, bro. I'm blessed. He has other things that he would say, but I'm blessed. Today, I share with you, I'm blessed to be a part of his journey, his life, his family. Who are we to question God's plan? Thank you, Ace, for everything. Me and Ace are the same age, but I always respect him as a big brother. That's why I call him Big Ace. Mama le maefe, luto temi, alo alofa mai nei o mātua. Mama ani, ta mama tua ia mai, ia tato tō luma le tua, o ia na te mai ali, mawhanga a te tātou. True. Sometimes people would ask Ace, oh, so you look good. It's all the good loving. That's what he would say. Thank you, Joe. Thank you for loving Ace. To the kids, keep the faith. We're always here for you. Popo, the conversation between me stays between me and you. Remember that, boy. Make Daddy proud. Little tell it. This one for Jesus. Amen.
How about us taking a moment, just giving the Lord a hand of praise for all of the comments,